So to add an auto image to an assembly file, we'd open Mascot Programming, open up a job that doesn't have an auto image assigned to it. We can see there that there's no auto image assigned. The camera icons grayed out. If I want to add an auto image to this job, I click Edit, Auto Image, Assign Image. Then we locate the JPEG that contains the image of this board, which is the demo plate one in this case. If I open that up, you can see we've now got a giant image of the board, and we've got our laser scans, and we need to map the JPEG onto the laser scans effectively. And we do that by locating the A and B alignment points on the JPEG. If I couldn't see alignment point A for some reason on the image, if this wasn't a particularly good point and I want to change the position of alignment point A maybe to the end of N2-1, I can click on it and then right click, set point as, and set it as alignment point A. But in this case R2-1 is fine, so I'll set it back, so set point as alignment point A. Then to do the mapping, I click Edit, Auto Image, fit the image to the assembly. It's asking me to locate R2-1 bottom pin on the image, so I click Capture. If we zoom in to R2-1 bottom pin and we click, then it asks us to locate alignment point B on the image, R4-5, so click Capture, zoom back out, go to R4-5, and we select that, and then it asks us how we want to fit the image. We usually use fit using scaling in both axes. Click Finish. It says, do I want to set all components to display the auto image, which I will in this case. And if we zoom in, we can see that it's matched all the laser scans up to their positions on the auto image. And if we have a look at the Detail tab, you can see that each component image is a zoomed in portion of the auto image. If I view that as the operator would in assembly mode, you can see that it's showing to the operator the location on the board, and then a zoomed in version as they go through. We could also add, if we wanted another image alongside the auto image for the operator to view. So we can do this by the media is set to auto at the moment. It's showing an auto image, but we could also add a second image to display alongside. So if I open an image, let's see what we've got here. We haven't got anything that's that suitable, but if I say open this image, finish that, and then we show that in assembly mode, it's now showing this picture here, and also the auto image, and you can see that the media type is auto for displaying the auto image, and then the second JPEG that it's displaying alongside, and that's what you would set in the media property of the assembly file.